In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Shopify. When you open your Shopify dashboard, go to the left-hand side and click on Settings at the bottom. Inside Settings, you will find different options like Payments, Billing, and Plan. To receive and withdraw money, you must first set up your payment method in the Payments section. This is important because Shopify sends your earnings to the payment method you connect. Once your payment method is set, Shopify will automatically transfer your funds to your account after processing fees, taxes, and its own charges. You can check your billing details and plan information in the Billing and Plan sections to see your charges and cycles. In the Payments section, you can choose from different payment providers or methods. Each provider has its own fees and requirements, and you may need to create an account and provide details like business information, country, and tax details. Some providers can take time to set up because of verification steps. You also have the option to use manual payment methods, such as bank deposit, money order, or cash on delivery. If you choose bank deposit, you will need to add instructions for your customers, such as where to send the payment and how to confirm it. These instructions will be shown to customers during checkout. Overall, once everything is properly set up, Shopify handles the process automatically, and your earnings are transferred to your selected account.